day 1 until now, nakita natin yung presence ng ating President. So another certificate of attendance is given to Reverend Jeffrey Bactong. Another certificate of attendance is given to Reverend Pat Sioko. And Reverend Judy Nawal. Reverend Reynaldo Gitakay. Reverend Hermes Akai. Reverend Regino Panes. Brother Michael P. Cañete. Pastor. Brother Johnny S. Pacto. Pastor. Pastor Lorenzo B. Tuhiton Sr. Pastor Lorenzo B. Tuhiton Sr. Brother Bonifacio B. Pepito. Brother Jimboy Galamas San. Pastor Charlie C. De Guzman. Reverend Joel B. Villano. Reverend Joel B. Villano. Pastor Renante B. San. Brother Danny P. Bustillo. Kung kinsa to kaila kay Brother Jimboy Dalama San. Brother Danny P. Bustillo. Brother John F. Sierra. Pastor Reuben Bustillo Pedres. Sister Charmaine Ducanes. Sister Cristel Reinixiano. Brother G.R. Palen. Sama po natin ngayon yung mga seminarians. Some of them are graduating na. And also Sister Kelly Grace Ago. Then Sister Julina Laid.